You want to select your photos easily, and this you can do with a quick preview inside Aperture, in the loop of course. And how to use these tools with the Wacom Tablet Intuos 4, I will show you now. The quick preview is perfect for selecting the pictures very fast. So all I have to do is set a new shortcut for the quick preview, because the normal shortcut is the P, and the P I have not lying on my Express keys or the radio menu. So you have to go to Aperture, to the commands, to customize, and there you can have another preset. So when I have a quick look about the quick preview, you see the normal shortcut is the P, the keystroke P, and I have now the modifier option with a keystroke B. I close it, and all I have to do is click the option key on the Express keys and the loop. This stands for the B, and now there is a yellow outline. And this means we are in the quick preview. You see it also here above the browser. We can go inside the full screen, for example, and now when we scroll through the pictures, it's very, very quick, because all Aperture is doing now is to activate the JPEG, not the RAW. So it's very fast looking through all the series of shots and searching for your best picture. When you want to zoom inside the picture, you can get your zoom. It's here on my button on the dual switch. Or you can have your loop, and the loop is lying on my first Express key. So I click the loop, and now I have all the information of the RAW. It's not the JPEG, it's the RAW information, and I can zoom inside the loop. When I toggle to my second function on my touch ring, I can very easily zoom inside and get to perhaps 400% or back to 100%. And now I have a better look inside the picture and get a better view for my best picture. Very easy to handle with all the Express keys, the touch ring, and of course the dual switch button.